ANASUYA PRADHAN, third runners-up GRUHINI number 1 2021 contest. Thank you Konak Entertainment for providing us such a beautiful platform to showcase our talent. देखिए आप चाहिए अपन ट्रॉफी एंड सर्टिफिकेट. दिस इज द ट्रॉफी सर्टिफिकेट. तो मुझे धन्यवाद देवाई चाहिए मो फैमिली को, मोर फ्रेंड्स मान को, मोर कोलीग मान को, and to all my viewers who have been supporting me throughout this process. I must congratulate to all the winners out there. They were extraordinarily talented and amazing throughout the journey. बहुत जिन शिखिली जो मैंने जतक कंटेस्टेंट्स थे आम समस्त निश्चित समस्त किसी ना कि शिखी एंड ऑब्वियसली इट वाज अ प्रोसेस ऑफ लर्निंग. सो जो मैंने आग को आसचंती ऑब्वियसली दैट्स गुड, बट जो मैंने आसी पारि नाहांती I want to tell them something. Konak Entertainment is just a YouTube channel and it is a stepping stone. They seriously neba kotha nuhe and we should the only thing we can do is trying. So ame different platforms se we should keep on trying. Obviously that 10टा जगह में ट्राई करे तो गोटे ना गोटे बाजी ही जीवो. So that's what happened. What I have felt that Samaste was like no one was less than anybody else. Must be a tough decision for the judges to choose the winners. So let's take it gracefully. Seita amo nijo bhitare ame inculcate kariwa like this is just a learning process and this is how the world goes on. Like somebody has to win, somebody has to lose. So this is what the process is. So आमे निज भितर ये जिनसटा इनकलकेट करबा एंड गोटे माँ हिसाब रे गोटे गृहिणी हिसाब रे आमे हमर छुआ मानू को भी से जिनसटा सिखेबा. So this is all what I wanted to say. ODIA GRUHINI number 1